Hey guys, this is Samsung Galaxy M30s, a successor to the M30. This phone packs a 6.4-inch AMOLED display, 6000 mAh battery and 48 megapixel camera. So a great value for the price at around 14,000 rupees or $200. So let me unbox this phone and see what it has. And that's a very quick video of the unboxing, and here is the phone itself in its super cool green color. So that's the unboxing video. Thanks for watching it. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and goodbye.